It snowed last night in the middle of nowhere.
Hello everyone, before this video begins, I'd like to give a big shout out to a loyal subscriber, 2464 on MacArthur. Whoever they are said 217 best one-liner by Jason. Let's see that clip, shall we?
Give me a syringe and I can kill everybody, including you.
Good luck.
If you want to get a shout out just like a loyal subscriber, 2464, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and comment down below, and I may shout you out in a future video. Alrighty? Alrighty. Now on with the rest of the video.
Look at it. Enough snow just to be melting off the roof. Clearly sunny. Weird melt pattern. Yes. Limited edition Easter egg Oreos, everyone. Look at that turkey. There's literally one turkey right there. Look at him. One turkey. Bobbing around in the rain. It's my mom's birthday. It snowed outside a little. It's odd because it didn't snow any of the other time, yeah. You can barely tell.
Quite a few people have messaged us, and when I say quite a few, I mean hundreds of people have messaged us letting us know that they did in fact feel the tremors. We know it was in southern Idaho where the quake originated, the epicenter. We're going to get back to Mark here in just a few seconds, but we do want to start off with the details about that quake. It was about an hour ago, almost exactly, the U.S. Geological Survey confirming it was a 6.5 magnitude quake. You can see it there. It's the yellow star there on that map in the middle of the Chalice National Forest. It was, we know, felt in cities in Boise, in Meridian, Eagle, as well as all the way, of course, in Spokane Valley. I have actually seen reports that it was felt all the way up in Tonasket as well. And just before I walked out here, I also saw that there are confirmed reports, at least some tremors were felt up into Canada.
Hello everyone, it is April 1st, April Fool's Day 2020, and yeah, we don't have any pranks. Look how puffy my hair looks. Wait, just get it back in the... Look how puffy it looks this morning. Weird, right? Yeah, that's just how it looks. Hey guys, it is April 2nd, and if you look out...
Hey everyone, look outside. It's awesome.
April 3rd, third day of snow. It's getting crazy. Hashtag Corona time, am I right? April 4th, and there's still more snow on the ground. Alrighty everyone, finished my first week of roads, or EADs, and let me just say, not great at all. Because what makes the school are the students, the teachers, and the atmosphere. Not the schoolwork in particular. And basically, all that it is schoolwork when you're doing EADs, and the only fun thing about them is somewhat the video chats, and sometimes those can get a little crazy, but otherwise, meh, boring. I'm down outside by my shed, and The ground has been, this is being recovered, as you can see, because I tore away dirt for years. And right here, you can tell, let me flip the camera around. So I'm planning on building a raised dirt, very earthy patio kind of thing right here. Gonna be saving this, covering up all the bare roots that I put right there. So yeah, I raked it all up already. And basically we have those posts right there, which were from Pine Tree Gardens, right there. For that tree right there, that poor tree. And we're gonna be putting a lot of dirt right here from over around there. We're gonna be getting it from the forest, so stay tuned for that. So each post is buried 2 feet, and they're all level, but it took about 2 hours. Take a look.
Boom. So cool, huh? Awesome. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can. There's a ton of fire ants everywhere. Look at all of them. So many of them. We're gonna move before we get...
Hello everyone, Monday, April 13th, and we are going down to the studio, the second studio location today, and the week has been going, honestly, very, very quickly. Time is going quickly. It's already halfway through April, and it just seemed like the beginning of April, so we're dealing with that, but we don't know what to do yet. Lot to do, lot to do.
The studio, the second studio location, everyone! Woo! Still curtains on the ground, as you can see right there. I actually cleaned this place out early this year because coronavirus. Corona. Haven't heard enough of that already, have we? But I don't know why I gained an accent, it seemed like there. But the whole shed is cleaned. Whole second studio location is clean. It's all dusted, floor is mopped, nothing dirty. Yeah. Curtains need to be put back up, but I kind of like it without the curtains. It lets in a lot more natural light. It's actually very cool today, so it's a little too cool to just be in here, so that's why we're gonna like try to open up the windows, try to get a lot of fresh air moving. Gonna be copyright strike.
So it's like 5:30 now, so I'm gonna head up to the house, maybe eat some dinner before taking a shower today, instead of just taking a shower and eating dinner like I usually do. But yeah, we gotta go unplug the outlet first. And yeah, had a phone call with David off of the David Stuck in the Coffee Table. Had a phone call with Scott too, that was pretty good. Tried to conference in either Willow or Kendall, but it didn't work out, so yeah.
Those are some beautiful flowers. I don't know what they are. Comment down below if you know.
So finished the roads for the whole week, and it's Friday now. April 17th, 2020. And basically, it is the, plugging in the outlet there. Basically, it's the, next week will be the last week of school. Well, not the last week of school, but the last week of road, supposedly. So we're supposed to have all our finals next week. And that's also when my senior project paper will be finished. And I believe it's, yeah, April 22nd, I believe, is Earth Day. So we're going to have a special video for that, of course. Yeah, special video for Earth Day. And, just realized I forgot the keys to the shed. Damn it. But yeah, we have a special video coming up on Earth Day. Just a little tidbit there. We'll share some of my essay about climate change and global warming. And yeah, I'm very excited for the channel too, because the channel has been gaining a lot of subscribers lately, a lot of support on the MacArthur video. Go check that out if you haven't already. And
Yeah.